design one simple page that will show us all the existing blog posts. So back to my editor, closing this add new post.php file and also this datetime.php file, also db.php file. Let's bring this basic.html file. Now I'm gonna save this file as posts.php, and first of all changing its title from basic to blog posts, and font awesome which I'm gonna use will be fa-blog, fa-blog. So first let's save this file and bring this file in our editor. So going to my directory, here is this file of posts.php. Here you can see this blog post page. So right after this blog post I will have couple of links here so that we can navigate to different pages, categories or add new post more easily and more attractively. So going to this blog post div, here you can see inside this header we have this div of col md12, and after that I will have one more div that will have bootstrap class of col lg 3, and inside this div I will have an anchor tag that will have a class of btn primary. So actually we are creating couple of buttons here, so it will have btn blog class as well, and here inside this we will have our I tag that will have font awesome class of fa-edit, and for the text it will be add new post. So let's first check this div what it's going to look like. Refreshing my page, you can see this add new post button right here. So same like this we will add couple of more button. So I'm gonna copy this whole div of col lg 3 and pasting it for add new category, and for the font awesome I will go with fa-folder plus, and for the color it will be info, and for the link it will be categories.php, and also let's mention the link here, add new post.php. Saving this one, let's check it in browser. Now let's add one more button. So it will have a class of warning, and we will have this tab of add new admin that will have font awesome class of fa-user plus, and the link will be admins.php. So saving this one, checking in browser. Great. The next one will be for our comments. So I will have the text of approve comments here, and it will have a class of success. The address will be comments.php, and font awesome class will be FAS FA dash check. Saving this one, let's see it in browser. It's looking cool, right? So if I move them in a small container, you can see these ones are responsive, but at a certain breakpoint you can see all of them are sticking together. So I will add margin bottom to each one. So let's add the margin bottom first on this div MB-2 and adding it here, here and here. So MB-2. Saving this one, refreshing the page. It's looking perfect, right? So it's complete responsive. Now this is all for designing our header. Now we have to fetch every single post from our table of post in the main area. But first let's change this title document to posts. So here at the top, changing this document to posts, and now scrolling down. So let's fetch all of our posts in our next movie, and we will put all of our posts in the main area right after the header in the next movie. So see you there.